this is Ankita Tang and I make videos related to lifestyle, food, fashion, travel and styling. And if you're looking at this face for the first time, don't forget to hit on the bell icon and subscribe to my channel, and a lot of good content will be coming your way. Now let's just talk about this video, guys. And in this video, I'm going to review a product from Vita Organic, and the product is Nailstrong. As the name suggests, the product says Nailstrong, so it is specially designed for your nails to become stronger and healthier. This is basically a oil which is a growth and repair oil for your nails and cuticles, and it has given me some visible difference in my nails, guys, because I am a person who used to get my nails done from outside, and the regular use of chemicals and nail paints on my nails had depreciated the quality of my nails. So I was just discovering one product for myself which is chemically free and good for my nails, so I discovered this one. And this is not just for the people who gets their nails chemically treated from outside. This is also for the people who face dryness issue because of the weather right now, since winter is coming, so there will be dryness around the nails also. And also for the people who wash their dishes and clothes by themselves, they also get some detergents, that kind of chemicals around their nails, and that also brings the dryness. So this is for all the people who faces dryness issue on their nails, and it helps in bringing the moisture to the nails, and that is a very important thing that really makes the nails soft and helps in growing the nails faster also. This is a very good product, guys, and I have been using this from last 14 days and I have seen the visible difference on my nails. And you can also see that my nails are now becoming pink and they are looking more healthy now, because earlier my nails were a little chapped and dry, and that was really lower downing my confidence. Here, let's just talk about the ingredients of the oil. This one is made from almond oil, avocado oil, argan oil and castor oil. So the goodness of all the oils are coming together in this one oil, and this is also certified fragrance and allergen free. So this one is so good for your nails that you can apply it daily on your nails and sleep overnight with it. So now I will show you how I apply it on my nails regularly while I go to bed. It comes in packaging like this that says the Vita Organic Nailstrong Nail and Cuticle Growth and Repair Oil. And it comes in a bottle like this, which looks like a glass bottle, but actually it is a plastic bottle, and it comes in quantity which is 12 ml. A brush is provided inside the bottle, and it makes the application of the oil easier on the nails. This brush is exactly the same which comes with the nail paints, and this is how I am applying the oil on my nails. After applying the oil on all your nails, you just have to gently massage it for 10 minutes and then leave it on your nails overnight. Continue the process of massaging the oil on your nails for 2 weeks overnight, and then you will see the great difference, just like me, because now my nails are brittle free and they look more healthy, and I really love the quality of my nails now. Now let's just talk about the price of the oil. This one sells around 349 rupees and is available on Nykaa Beauty, Amazon, Flipkart and the Vita official site also. So guys, you can just use the links which are provided in the description box, and you can order it for yourself from any of the above mentioned sites. And do let me know in the comment section how are the results for you also, because I am having such good results from this product and I'm super impressed with the quality of my nails now. And if you find this video useful, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends and family members, and also subscribe to my channel. That is very important, and I will be coming up with a lot more fun and useful videos very soon. Till then, bye bye, take care.